Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter here at RV Nation in Ohio, and today I wanted to give you a quick tour of a camper we have leaving for Alaska here in a couple moments, but it's the 2022 Salem FSX 178BHSK, that BH standing for bunkhouse model, and it's got this really nice bunk setup in the back where you get the double wide bunks, which is, pretty handy. You can probably sleep 5 or 6 extremely comfortably. But again, the 2022 Salem FSX 178BHSK. Today I'm going to take you on about, probably about 6-7 minutes on the inside, 3 to 4 on the outside. Wrap this up in around 10 to 12 minutes. If you guys are interested in specifications, things like awning size, tank size, length, weight, all that, that'll be down in the description of my video, along with my contact information. If you guys are in the market, have questions about pricing, purchasing, all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys find some value, in this video. And if you do, consider hitting that like and subscribe button for me. But let's go ahead, jump right on into the inside, get the fun stuff going. So this is a 1 slide out unit. You got your slide right here. That'll drop down to make a bed. You got the bathroom in the rear, 2 double wide bunks, your kitchen set up right here along this wall. And then, of course, this is a Murphy bed model, which is really nice during the daytime when you're sitting, hanging around, just kind of kicking it and you want some more space to chill. You got a little couch right here. You can also, remove these pillows. We'll go ahead and throw this on the dinette. Pull this little tab. And then obviously you got to make the bed, but it all folds up right there. So that way you can kind of sleep. That would be kind of your nighttime mode. So pretty cool having the versatility. Gives you a little bit more interior space and ability to sit down and chill on maybe some of those rainy days. You also have an emergency exit right over here. To do that, you just pull and push, and you're good. You're getting out. If you can't make it that long distance, to your door, you do have that. Right next to the door here, we do have a couple outlets and a couple USB ports along with your solar charge controller. There is a solar panel on the top of this one, which is right now trickle charging this battery, keeping the juice flowing, which I'll show you on the exterior portion. You got a little place right here that you can do some of your hanging items. And then you have storage. Sorry about that. I don't know why my phone keeps freezing up while I'm making these videos. But you have the above storage that goes, all the way across on either side, which is pretty nice. So you get a lot of, places to kind of tuck and hide some things away. So again, like I said, this is a 1 slide unit. So this is going to be your slide. This is where the dinette is. Let me go ahead and put these pillows back over there. But what I do like about the Salem FSX is you have this absolutely massive window here. These curtains will block out the sun pretty good. But I mean, check that out. You open that up, you got not only a nice view, but if you want to open it up, you have a ton of, cross breeze going inside this camper, really cooling you down, which is always nice. Oversized U-shaped dinette. Again, you can go ahead and take this and drop it down. You pull those metal legs to make one big sleeping surface to sleep, 1 to 2 people, depending on their size. Underneath on either side, you also get plenty of storage. So both sides are just like that. We spin it right around here. Well, this phone's going to be the death of me, but we're back. I deleted a couple things, opened up some more space, hoping that's the issue. If not, you're going to see an absolute mental breakdown on a video here in pieces. But this is going to be your kitchen area. So right here, you got your dual Greystone burners. So bada bing, bada boom. You got this little tiny hood vent right here, so you have your light. You also have a fan that you can kick on and off. You got your Greystone microwave. And some storage right here as well. You got a window for some more, kind of breeze in here. This right here is going to be for your Bluetooth speaker, which is going to be in this box right here. You got a good size sink, little cutting board drying action top. You got storage underneath, and then right here, you can see it's a little bit kind of the flimsy wood right there. They do that so that way it kind of hides all of the plumbing and the electrical, things like that. But that gives you easy access to, you know, any type of maintenance items that you might need. Beneath the fridge right here, this is going to be your fuse box. So if anything pops and stops working, check that first. Your Everchill 12-volt refrigerator. So it's a little bit of an upgraded refrigerator compared to most RVs. This is going to be one very similar, you know, to that of your house, just a little bit smaller. I believe it's a 10.7 cubic foot. But the freezer will actually keep stuff frozen, you know, as opposed to, you know, a little soft like your, you know, typical gas and electric RV refrigerator. Here in the back, you got your double wide bunk beds. I like these because they just give you so much more room. You also have a couple lights you can click on here and there, but it's pretty bright. We're getting some good sunlight in. 2 windows, again, for that cross breeze. You're also going to see right here, little USB chargers. Then back underneath, you got some more windows there in the back with the curtains drawn, and then, you know, some more USB ports right there as well. You also have a good place to put some storage. You got an area where you can put a TV, indicated by this nice little convenient sticker, the TV backer sticker. So you put your TV backer, you know, right there, you're good to go. This is going to be your Suburban, you know, for your heat and your AC, all that, and a couple more USB ports. And then up here, you do have your connections, you know, for the TV, and also your King Connect, if you want to, you know, pay for, you know, Wi-Fi, extended LTE booster, all that kind of good stuff. Cable and satellite, and your outlets. And that brings us to the bathroom, which I'm a big fan of. Most of the times, the bathrooms are just, you know, so incredibly small in the shower area for a camper this size that it is really hard just to kind of get in and out. This one has a pretty nice size shower. You also have your little sunroof right there with a fan. That way you can keep the air circulating and keep it flowing. Got yourself a little sink, a couple outlets. So you got a couple outlets right there, some storage space, all that good stuff. Hello, if you didn't see my face before, I am Hunter. Nice to meet you. Glad to have you. Glad to have you. Again, so Murphy bed. This wraps up the inside portion of this tour. This was the 2022 Salem FSX 178BHSK. Now I'll show you a couple things on the outside I think are pretty cool. Oh, forgot to show you. I believe I forgot to show you. This is going to be your control panel. So this is where you control all your lights, water heater, water pump, you know, your awning, and your slide out. You got your extra large grab handle there for the entry. Got yourself pass-through storage. And then if you wanted to, you can also hook up some more solar right there with your Go Power connection. You got the manual stabilizing jacks, which are a plus because they're actually a lifting jack, so that has a little bit more power. Your fresh water connection. And this is going to be the back end here of the water heater. You got your fresh water drain. Everything is nice and conveniently labeled for you. That way there's no questions on what is what. A couple outlets right here if you're going to put down, you know, an outdoor TV. Quick connect for your propane, so if you want to hook up a grill, you know, or this griddle that comes with the camper. It's a Suburban griddle, pretty darn fancy. This is right here is our starter kit. That's going to come with your freshwater hose, sewer hose, level locks, wheel chocks, water pressure regulator, AC adapter, and some treatment chemicals. Oh, this is all taped up for traveling mode, but we've all seen these. It's a little mini refrigerator right there. Swinging around the back, you're going to get your spare tire. You also have your outside shower. So, you know, you get hot and cold access right there. Not too much pressure, but just enough, you know, to really kind of wash off if you need it. This is backup camera prepped. So the Furrion S Vision is what I would recommend. Runs you $550 installed, but it's pretty cool. It's a 4.5-inch screen. So that way while you're driving down the road, you know, you can really see, you know, what's going on behind you. Cable inlet, your low point drain, sewage holding tanks, waste holding tanks, sewer outlet connection, you know, all right there, along with your black tank flush and the city water connection. This is also where you plug in your power cord. I did forget to show you, on top of this right here, if my camera gets up there, you'll see a little black board up there, you know, with white edges. That's going to be your solar panel that is on this. But I think that about wraps this up. Again, it's the 2022 Salem FSX 178BHSK. My name is Hunter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya.